So we will discuss the definition of common noun as well. The common noun, proper noun and common noun, two types of nouns. Common noun is commonly the name of place, person or thing. So we will clear our concept with this example. Like someone asks you, where do you study? You said, I study in a school. School is a common noun because there are so many schools in a city or in a country. But when you give a special name, a specific name, that I study in British International School System, so this school name is the proper noun. And you said in the earlier sentence that I study in a school, that word school is a common noun. Okay, when you give specific, special name to a thing, place, this will be the proper noun. So underline the proper nouns in the sentences. Okay, many Filipinos can speak English. Yes, Filipinos and English, these two are the proper noun. Okay, next is Dr. Singham works at the Eastwood Hospital. Dr. Singham is a name, and this is starting from the capital letter, and here we have the Eastwood Hospital, the specific name of the hospital, so that's why we underline this. Next, the Lido Theatre is on Orchard Road. The Lido Theatre, they give a specific, they mention the specific name of a theatre, so that's why we underline this. This is a proper noun. Next, the Orchard Road, specific name of a road, Orchard Road. Next, Mr. Wang flew to Sydney with Qantas airline. Mr. Wang is a specific name of a person, Sydney, and Qantas Airlines. Aunt Jenny was married on Sunday, 11 July 1990. Aunt Jenny, specific name, we will underline this. Sunday, specific name of a day in a week, July. Mauritius is an island in the Indian Ocean. So these two, Indian Ocean and Mauritius, are the two proper noun. Cat's husband is Japanese. Cat's name, Japanese. Both are the proper noun. Labor Day is a public holiday in some countries. Labor Day is a proper noun. Many Thais are Buddhist. Thais, the native people of the Thailand, Buddhist, a specific religion. These two are the proper noun. The next Olympic Games will take place in Athens. Olympic Games and Athens, two proper noun. Have you read the book, The Lord of the Rings? The Lord of the Rings, the specific name of the book. Dad has booked 4 tickets for the Ballad Swan Lake. Ballad Swan Lake. Yes, we have done our page number 11, the concept of nouns and especially a proper noun here. Hope you all understand this well.